Fine. So this is basically the day 3 of the CSAT crash course. The topic is number system, right? So in the number system classes, we have discussed two big important topics till now. In the first class, we discussed about the nature of the number system, right? We talked about integers, all of that. Okay. Similarly, in the second class, we discussed about statement-based questions. Now we did previous year questions on the same also, and why such topic is important. Okay. Today we deal with another concept, that is the concept of digits here. Okay. So let us directly jump into the topic. Okay. Now all of this we have already discussed. Prime number, composite number, all of this we have already discussed. So first, let me show you the question on the basis of which we are going to discuss the class today. Okay. So you can see this is a 2023 question that was asked regarding what is the sum of all digits which appear in the integers from 10 to 100. Okay, so this is already a 2023 question that was asked. Okay. Now, before jumping into this topic, there is many areas that we would like you to cover. Okay. So here we'll again do the same exercise, that is from basic part, then go to the UPSC questions. Okay. So here you have a topic, something we talk about digits here. For example, how do you expect a question in UPSC, right? So the question will be something of this format, right? That is, how many times does the digit 1 appear in the units place? Okay. When we talk about units place, it is, if let's say x and y, this is a 2-digit number, this is the digit in units place, right? So how many times does the digit 1 appear in the units place in between 1 and 100? Okay. So here I have a diagram also for you. You can look at the diagram and tell me how many times does the digit 1 appear in units place between 1 and 100. Okay. We are talking about units place. So we are talking about this digit like this. Okay. So how many times does the digit 1 appear in units place? 10. Okay. What about others? From 1 to 100, how many times does the digit 1 appear in the units place? This is what we are talking about. What about Dinesh? Lakshmi? 10, right? How is it 10? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right? So here we have what? Digit 1, it appears 10 times in units place. I hope this is clear. Okay. Now, if the same question is asked, how many times does the digit 1 appear in tens place? What will be your answer? In tens place, how many times does the digit appear? 11. Okay. How many times does the digit 1 appear in the tens place between 1 and 100? Okay, we are talking about 1 and 100. 11, 11. What about Raghavan, Lakshmi? Okay. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे it is again, it is 10. The reason is what? See, we are talking about the digit 1 appearing in the tens place, right? So this is 1, right? Let me change the color. No? So this is that 1. This is your second one. No? Third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, eighth one, ninth one, and the 10th one. Okay, so here it appears 10 times. Okay. Now, if the same question is asked, how many times does the digit 1 appear from 1 to 100, what would be your answer? It's not given how many times does it appear in units place, tens place, ऐसा कुछ नहीं दिया है. It is the statement as how many times does the digit 1 appear between 1 and 100. What would be your answer? 20, 21, 2, 22. Okay. 20, 22. ठीक है. तो देखो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है. We have already counted the number of digit ones that appear in the units place. Yes, we have said there are 10 such times that the digit 1 appears in the units place. Okay. We have also said there are 10 times when the digit appears in the tens place. That also we have calculated. Okay. Now what is missing here? So we have calculated all the digits here except one digit which is here. Right. We have calculated the digit 1 which appears in the units place, in the tens place. Now what is missing here? When we go for 100, this is the digit which appears in the hundreds place. So this one we have missed. So here we already know this is 10, this is 10, this is supposed to be 1. Are you getting this, everyone? Okay. So here the total is what? It appears 21 times. Is this clear? Yes. ठीक है. This is the basis for solving the questions. Okay. ये एक बार बेसिक समझ में आ गया, then it becomes very easy to solve questions related to the same. Okay, even the UPSC questions. ठीक है. So what are we basically doing? Whenever this kind of question is asked, how many times does a specific digit appear? Okay, we are first finding out the pattern here. Okay, we are finding out that digit appears how many times in the units place, that digit appears how many times in the tens place, that digit appears how many times in the hundreds place, how many times in the thousands place, and so forth. Okay, so this is the basic premise. I hope this is clear. Okay, so now let me just generalize it so that it becomes easier for you to remember, right? So see here. Now the generalization is any digit. Okay, when we talk about any digit, we are talking about from digits from 1 to 9. Okay, any digit appears 20 times. Okay, in between 1 and 99. Why we are not taking 100 here? The reason is if I add 100, here we have what? A digit in the hundreds place. Okay. Right now we are concerned only about the digit in units and the tens place. Okay. So any digit between 1 to 9 appears 20 times in between 1 and 99. Okay. That means what? If I talk about a digit 5, digit 5 appears what? 20 times between 1 and 99. 10 times it will appear in the units place. 10 times it will appear in the tens place. The same with any other digit. Digit 7. Again, it appears 20 times, 10 times in the units place, 10 times in the tens place. Okay. Here we are talking about what? When we are moving from 1 till 99. Are you getting this, everyone? Till here? यहाँ तक कोई डाउट, दिनेश? Clear, right? All right. Chalo. If this part of it is clear, now we look at the hundreds place. Okay. So let me again generalize here. अभी हम क्या देख रहे थे? let's take any digit. For example, if digit 1 is there, it appears how many times? 20 times. We have said it appears 20 times when we go from 1 to 99. Now remember here, when we tell 20 times, it is units place and tens place. This is what we mean. Okay. What about if we go from 100 till again 199? Again, it appears, it repeats itself. That is 20 times. Again, how is it 20 times? We are focusing on the units and the tens place. 10 times in the units place, 10 times in the tens place. Okay. From 200 to 299, again, it appears how many times? 20 times. 10 times in the units place, 10 times in the tens place, and so forth. 300 to 399, 400 to 499. This will repeat itself. Okay. But now, if I say this is my final answer, that would be wrong. The reason is what? Here we have only counted what? The units and the tens place. Units and the tens place. Okay. But if let's say we are talking about a digit 1, when we go from 100 to 199, what do we observe? When we go from 100 till 199. So for example, 100, if you write 100, 101, 102, 103, what do we observe? All of these numbers that are there, they have a digit 1 appearing in the hundreds place. Would you agree or not? Okay, for example, here, if you go from 100 to 199, what is happening here? The digit 1 is appearing in the hundreds place in every of these numbers. Okay. So that also you will have to add. Okay. So for example, if you go from 100 till 199, the digit 1 appears what? We already know it appears 20 times. Okay. 10 times in units place, 10 times in the tens place. What we have not considered here is the hundreds place. Okay. So from 100 till 199, how many such digit ones are there in the hundreds place? It is 100 such times. Okay. So when we go from 100 to 199, it is a total of 120 times that the digit 1 appears. Is this clear? What we have done? Okay. Why we have added 100 here? Yes. The remaining will be the same. Okay. In the units place, in the tens place, it will be 10 10. Chalo. If this part of it is clear to you, then try solving this one. Okay, so here you can see how many times does the digit 1 appear in units place? It is 10 times. How many times does the digit 1 appear in the tens place between 1 and 100? Again, it is 10 times. How many times does the digit 1 appear between 1 and 100? Here it is 10 plus 10 plus 1 extra is here because of the digit in the hundreds place. Okay. Similarly, how many times does the digit 1 appear between 100 and 200? Here it is what? 10 times in the units place, 10 times in the tens place, and between 100 and 199, there are 100 such numbers. So 120 times it will appear. Okay. Now, what I want you to do is to solve this question. Okay. How many times does the digit 1 appear in between 100 and 500? This is what you have to calculate. Okay. Again, when you see such questions, you break it down first. Okay. 100 to 199. How many times is it there? 200 to 299. 300 to 399. 400 to 499. And then finally the 500. Okay. So you have to tell me how many times does the digit 1 appear between 100 and 500. Okay. Try solving this. No, you will start from 100 to 199, Dinesh. Okay. Always break it into till 99. Okay. That is 1 to 99, 100 to 199, 200 to 299. Like this, you will have to break. Okay. So here, how many times will the digit appear? One 180. Okay. 180. 179. Okay. What about Subhadra? So what are we doing here? Again, we are breaking, right? We are saying we'll go from 100 till 199. So from 100 to 199, what we are getting? We know it appears 20 times. Okay. 10 times in the units place, 10 times in the tens place. Okay. Now we are counting up the number of times that the digit 1 appears in the hundreds place. Okay. So how much is it? Simply it is 199 minus 100. Okay. So 99 numbers plus 1 because we are including both the numbers here. Right. So simply the difference between the two plus 1. Okay. That many numbers are there. Right. So we are talking about 100 numbers between 100 and 199. And all of those 100 numbers will have what? The digit 1 appearing in the hundreds place. Okay. So here we have what? 10 plus 10 plus 100. This is in the units place. This is in the tens place. This is in the hundreds place. Okay. Now same way here also. 200 to 299. How many times does the digit 1 appear? It appears 20 times. 10 times in the units place, 10 times in the tens place. Here, how much is it? 20 times. Here, how much is it? 20 times. Okay. Now, what about 500? Is there any digit 1 which is appearing in 500? It's not there. Okay. So, a total, when you add it up, it is what? 20, 20, 20, 20. That is 80 plus 100. That is 180. We are talking about it appears 180 times. Okay. So Abhishek, if you have got 179, the reason is you just subtracted 199 minus 100. Okay. That will only give you what? The difference between the two. If you have to be inclusive of both the numbers, that means what? You take the difference and then you add 1 to it. Fine. Chalo. That is clear. Okay. Lakshmi, I hope this is clear. Subhadra. Okay. What we have done here. Okay. So it will appear 180 times. Okay. Now what about this one? Try this one. How many times does the digit 1 appear in between 1 and 1000? But try करके देखो. The process is the same. 1 to 99, 100 to 199, 200 to 299, like that. Okay. So try it out. Okay, 300. Fine. What about others? Okay, Abhishek, 300. Fine. Subhadra, 300. Okay. So here what we have done, again, the same exercise, 1 to 99, 20 times. 100 to 199, 20 times. Now, from 200 to 299, again 20 times. Okay, 300 to 399, again 20 times. Like this, you will go till 999. And then you have 1,000 also, 20 times. Okay. Now here you have only calculated the digits in the units and the tens place. Okay. Now from 100 to 199, you have to add up what? The digits that are there in the hundreds place also. So here you will add 100. Similarly, when you talk about 1,000 here, okay, when you talk about 1,000, we are talking about what? A digit one which is appearing in the thousands place. Okay, so here you will add that one also. Okay, so you got 300, that is correct, and then you will add one extra. The reason is because there is a digit one appearing in the thousand also, and this is in the thousands place. Okay, so that you will add. So the answer is 301. Okay, so I hope now this concept is clear to you. Now you can solve the questions yourself. Okay, so let's start doing some questions here. Okay, now this is your question. Okay, how many numbers are there between 1 and 99? Okay, such that the digit 7 occupies the tens place. Okay, so here the condition is the digit 7 should be there in the tens place. Okay, so here we are not concerned about digit 7 appearing in the units place. No, we are only concerned about the digit 7 appearing in the tens place. And we have to go from 199 till 1000. Okay, so how many such numbers are there? Just again break it. Okay, 199 तक के रहता है, फिर 200 to 299, 300 to 399, 400 to 499. Like this you break till 999, and finally the 1000. Okay, so out of these numbers, how many are there where the digit 7 appears in the tens place? That is the question. Raghavan, fine. Fine. Finish, fine. What about Subhadra? 80. Okay, so here you are not getting any digit 7, right? It is not coming here in 199. From here till here, again, we know there are, it repeats 20 times, but out of this, 10 times is in units place. So that we are not bothered about. We are only bothered about the 10 times it appears in the tens place. Okay. Similarly, here it appears 10 times, 10 times, 10 times like that, till 10 times here. And finally, in 1000, you do not have a digit 7. So when you do all of this together, it will be 80. You have 80 such numbers. Fine. Chalo. If this is clear to you, try this one. Okay. So here you are not going entirely till 799. Okay. You are finding out how many times does the digit 7 appear between 1 and 777. Okay. So the last one will be 700 till 777. And here you will have to calculate how many times the digit is there in hundreds place, tens place, and units place. Okay. So try this one. break it down. Okay, Abhishek, fine. Okay, 234, fine. What about Dinesh? We are getting two different answers. Okay. See here, when it completes, okay, when it completes from 1 to 99, we know it appears 20 times. That is clear. Okay. So here in from here till here, we are able to complete the entire cycle, right? So 20 times, 20 times. The problem lies in here, that is 700 to 777. Okay. So here, first of all, we are calculating the number of times the digit 7 appears in the hundreds place. Okay. So simply subtract here, that is 777 minus 700. That is 77. And then you will add plus 1. Don't forget this aspect. Okay. If you are including both of them. Okay. So here we are talking about 78 times. Okay. Then what are you including here? Now see, again, we cannot complete the entire cycle here. Okay. We cannot say the digit 7 appears 10 times in the tens place or 10 times in the units place. That we cannot say. Okay. So here in the starting, it's better you do it properly manually. Okay. So for example, if you are calculating only the units place here, what do you write? 7 not 7, 717, 727, 37, 47, 57, 67, 77. We are talking about till 77, right? So this we have already calculated. You don't have to double count it. Okay. We are focused about this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So the digit 7 is appearing how many times? It is appearing 8 times till 777. Okay. We have only calculated till here. We are only calculating about the units place. There, do not calculate this one also. Okay, the reason is you will be miscalculating. Okay, so here we have calculated the hundreds place. We have now calculated the units place. What is left is the tens place. Okay, again to calculate tens place, it is what? 770, 771, 72, 73, 74, 75, and 70. Now we are only bothered about the ones in the tens place. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so again we have 8. Okay, so here again, when you add this up, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 140. 140 plus 78 plus 16. That is 14. No, 14, 8, 94, 140, 234. Are you getting this? Okay. So here it is. The point is you should not double count. For example, if I count this, again, I should not count this aspect also, because here we are only bothered about the digit in tens place. Here we are bothered only about the digit in units. Okay. Now, another way to do this is this will be the same. Okay. Again, you think if you are focused upon in the tens place, it will go till what? 78, 79. 76, 78, 79, it will go till 79. So that means if it completes all of them, that is, there is 10 times it will appear in the tens place, the digit 7. Okay. But here we are only going till 77. That means what? We can subtract 2 from here. Now, this 2 we can subtract. So minus 2, that is 8. Okay. So that is how we got 8. Okay. But for the starting part, I would recommend that you go in this manner only. Okay. That is much easier to remember and it will help you in your calculations. Okay. So how many times does the digit 7 appear between 1 and 77? It is 777. It is 234 times. Fine. Chalo. If this is clear, now try this one. Okay. So here now the question is, how many times does the digit 9 appear between 99 and 999? Okay. So again, break it down. 99, then 100 to 199, 200 to 299, like that. Okay. So try this. Green not 2. Okay. What about others? 382. So 280. You're getting different answers. 282. Okay. So see here, how many digits 9 are there here? There is 2. Here it will be 20 times. No? Here it is 20 times. 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. Now we are concerned here. Okay. So here we have what? 20 times. That is 10 times in the units place, 10 times in the tens place. And then we also have what? The digit 9 appearing in the hundreds place. Okay. So how many such numbers are there? We have 100 such numbers. Okay. So when you add it up, it is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 180 here, 280 and 282. How many times does the digit 9 appear between 99 and 999? It is 282 times. I hope this is clear. Raghavan. Okay. Extra 100 somewhere you brought. Fine. Chalo. If this is clear, now try various ones. Okay. So right now we have been starting with 1. Okay. But sometimes the questions might be of this format also. Okay. So we'll go here. But first, let's start from here. This question we'll try to do. Okay. Tell me the answer of this one. How many times does the digit 4 appear between 1 and 534? How many times is it? Again, break it. Okay. 1 to 99, 100 to 199, 200 to 299, like that. How many times does the digit 4 appear between 1 and 534? Okay, Dinesh 204, fine. What about Raghavan? Abhishek? Okay, Abhishek, fine. Raghavan 209. Okay, 204. All right. So what we have here, the digit 4 appears. We know here it's 20 times. It's completing the entire cycle. Here it is 20. Here it is 20. Here it is 20. Here we have from 400 to 499. The digit 4 appears 100 times in the hundreds place. In the tens and units place, it will appear 20 times. Okay. Now this is here where you will have the problem. So again, simple calculate 504, 514, 524, 534. Okay, so that is appears 4 times. Is there any digit which appears in the tens place? It is not there because it has to start from 540, but here we are ending at 534. So just simply add it up. You'll get what? 200, 300. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 100, 200, 204. You'll get fine. Now this one you do it as your homework. This one, fine. I think now you have got the sense of it. Now what about this one? I want you to try this one. Okay. How many times does the digit 4 appear between 44 and 444? Okay. Again, break it down to 44 to 99, 100 to 199, like that. Try this one out. Dinesh 125, Abhishek 122. Okay. One 27. Okay. So here, how many numbers are there? First, again, we are concerned about digit 4 appearing in the units place and then tens place. Okay, so let's say units place, that means 44 is there, 45. Okay, sorry, 44. Next one will be 54, 64, 74, 84, 94. Okay, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is, we are talking about 6. Okay, now we are concerned about the digit 4 appearing in the tens place. So again, 44, 45, 46, 48, 49. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, 6. Okay. Now here it completes the entire circle. So 20 times. Digit 4 appears 20 times. 20 times. 20 times. What about this one? Here there is a 100 component here. Okay. So there is a 100 component. That means how many times does it appear in the hundreds place? 444 minus 400, that is 44, plus 1, 45, plus again we are concerned about the digits appearing in the units place. Okay, so 404, 14, 24, 34, 44. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Okay. Again, same thing. That is 440, 441, 42, 43, 44. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's again 5. Okay. So how much is it? This is 12. This is 60. This is 50, 55. Okay. Or this is 115. This is 12. That is 120. Okay. So total of 127 times. Okay. So Dinesh, I think you missed one here, here and here. Okay. The reason is you directly took 4 and 4. Okay. But because here it comes from 0, not from 1. That's the reason it is 5. Fine. So if this is clear, do one last one. Okay. We are doing this exercise because we want everyone to get the same answer, right? So here the question is, how many times does the digit 3, okay, appear between 112 and 468? Okay, this kind of question you can expect. Okay. So again, break it down: 1122 to 199, 200 to 299, like that. Okay. Then try solving. $245. Okay. 96. Still we are getting different answers. How many times does the digit 3 appear between 112 and 468? What about others? Abhishek. $176. Okay. All right. So here what we have, the digit 3 again. How many times does the digit 3 appear between 112 and 468, right? So 112 to 199, 200 to 299, 300 to 399, again 400 to 468. Okay. Now here we are talking about what? How many times does the digit 3 appear? Okay. So we know generally it appears what? 20 times. If it completes the entire circle from 100 till 199. Okay. But here it is starting from 112. That means what is missing? If you go, right, it is 103, 113. Okay. So already from 113 it is included. That means one of them is missing here. Only one is missing. Okay. So that means it appears what? 19 times exactly. Okay. Here it will appear 20 times. Here it is 100 plus 20. And here again, how many times is it? Simply write it down. 403, 13, 23, 33, 43, 53, 63. Okay, how many times is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. Okay, whereas we are talking about the digit in units place. Now, in the tens place, what will happen? It will be from 430 till 439. All of them is included here. So it is entirely 10. Okay. So when you add it up, it is what? The 60, this is 39, 139, 159, 169 plus 7 and 76. I hope this is clear. Okay. So this one, try to do it at your home. If you want, you can do more. Okay. How many times does digit 6 appear between 6 and 666? How many times? Okay. That's your homework. You can do. Similarly, how many times does digit 5 appear between 534 and let's say 795? Okay. So how many times does it? So think about this, try to do it at your home, and this will help you in, it will make it your calculations easier. Now, if you've understood all this concept till now, I think we can now jump into this part. Okay. Now, till now, what we have done till thousands. Okay, 1 till 1000. But what about if something of this sort comes? What will be your breakup here? See, 1 to 1000 में हमने breakup किया क्या? 1 to 99, 100 to 199, 200 to 299. Like this, we broke it up, right? But if this question comes, that is how many times does the digit 7 appear between 1 and 7000? Okay, what will be your breakup? It will be from 1 to how much? नहीं नहीं, कभी 1000 में अपन एंड कर ही नहीं रहे राघव. वी आर नॉट एंडिंग इन 1000, वी आर एंडिंग इट इन 99. Right, the reason is, yes, exactly, the reason is what? Because when we talk about this, there is a thing that comes in the thousands place. Okay, yes, you end actually in 999. Okay, 1 से 999 तक के का आपका फिक्स्ड हो जाएगा. Okay, for example, when we say from 1 to 99, the digit 7 appears 20 times. Okay, we'd say we are calculating units and tens places. Okay, same thing from 1 to 999. Can you say generalize it? Here you can say what? If you remember, from 1 to 999, the digit 1 appears how many times? It appears 300 times. That is clear. The 301 appears because of if we go from 1 to 1000. This we have calculated, right? That means if we go from 1 to 999, the digit appears 300 times. Now this 300 times is what? We have calculated the digit in units place, in tens place, as well as the digit in hundreds place. Is this clear? Okay. So again, we generalize any digit from 1 to 9. Okay. If it goes from 1 till 999, it will appear how many times? 300 times, out of which it will include the units place, the tens place, and the hundreds place. Are you getting this, everyone? What we have done? Is this clear? Yes. What about Dinesh? Yes. ठीक है. Now आप क्या कर रहे हो यहाँ पे? 1000 to 199 again 300 times. 2000 to 299 again it is 300 times. Okay. For example, if the question is how many times does the digit 1 appear between 1 and 2000, then what you will do? This 300 already includes the digit in units, tens, and the hundreds place. The only thing you have to add here would be what? The number of times that digit appears in the thousands place exactly. So that you will add plus 1000. The rest, everything is the same. I hope this is clear. Okay. Chalo, so try to do the same exercise. This one I'm giving it to you as homework. Okay. Try to do it as your homework. Okay. Just remember the formula. Any digit from 1 to 9 appears 300 times when we go from 1 to 999. And the same pattern repeats. Okay. So chalo, if now all of this concept is clear, now try the UPSC questions. Okay. Because at the end of the day, we should be able to solve UPSC questions, right? So this is a UPSC question asked in your 2017, right? How many numbers are there between 99 and 1000? Okay. Such that the digit 8 occupies the units place. Okay. So here we are talking about a digit 8 appearing in the units place. Okay. So think it through and then give the answer. Okay, Raghavan, fine. Dinesh, fine. C, okay. What about others? So here it is directly C, right? Because again, you'll break it up, right? When you will break it up, it will be the same. Yes. Okay, so okay, Abhishek also got it, right? So here 99, again 100 to 199, it will appear what 10 times. 299, again 10 times, like this. You'll go till 999. Okay, so when you add it up, it is 90 times. Fine. Chalo, if this is clear to you, try the next UPSC question. Okay, so this was asked in your 2019. Yes, the number of times the digit 5 will appear while writing the integers from 1 to 1000. Okay, so we have already discussed this. How many times will the digit 5 appear while you go from 1 to 1000? How many times does it calculate? Ishani C, Ragan C. NSC, right? Yeah, so we just discussed, right? When we go from 1 to 999, any digit from 1 to 9, it appears how many times? 300 times, right? Out of this 300 times, the hundreds place has been calculated, the tens place has been calculated, the units place has been calculated. Okay, this is what is. So here you can see from 1 to 99, 300. In 1000, there is no such digit 5 here. Fine. So if this part of it is clear to you, let's jump into the next one. Okay. तो अभी तक के हमने क्या किया? What we did is we basically calculated how many times does the digit appear. Okay. How many times does the digit appear between 1 and 100, 1 and 1000, 1 and 10,000? That aspect we have discussed. Okay. But if the question is of this format, okay, see the question carefully. It says, how many integers exist between 1 and 100 such that the digit 1 appears at least once? Okay, at least once मतलब उस number में, let's say an integer is there xy, इस number में one of the digit has to be at least one of the digit has to be 1. Okay, so how many such integers are there between 1 and 100? You can go through this. Tell me. How many such numbers are there between 1 and 100 where the digit 1 appears? Twenty, 20. Okay, so now we are actually calculating what? Integers we are calculating. है ना? हम इसको digits में calculate नहीं कर रहे, हम integers की बात कर रहे हैं, right? So which integer is there? 1. You can see here. Okay, then it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then we have a 20 also in 100. Exactly. Okay. Now what has happened here? For example, if I change this to 99, what do you observe here? The number reduces to 19, right? That is from 1 to 99, the number of integers that exist, which will have digit 1 at least, it is 19. Such integers are there. Okay. In the earlier concept, we learned what? 1 to 99, it appears 20 times. Okay. So here it is 20, here it is 19. The reason is what? Because of this number, right? Where the digit repeats itself. So when we are counting digits, we talk about what? We count the digits as two separate entities, right? One appears in the tens place, one appears in the units place. Okay. Whereas when we talk about integers, what happens? We count them as a single entity. That is why it appears what? When we go from 1 to 99, the integer is 19. There are 19 such integers. Is this clear? Okay. Earlier, we were talking about digits. Here, we are talking about integers. Just keep this in mind. Okay. The rest will be the same. Again, the pattern will be the same. That is, again, from 100 to 199. How many will be there? Again, 19. Okay. 200 to 299. Again, 19. So here you were doing 20. The same thing you will do with 19 now. Okay. Because we are talking about what? This aspect. I hope this is clear, everyone. Okay, the rest of the uh, is the same. The rest of solving the concept is the same. ठीक है तो जहां पे भी repetitive हो रहा है you will only count that as once. You don't have to count it double. Is this clear what we have done? Dinesh, Raghavan? Yes. ठीक है. For example, if I say how many integers exist between 1 and 200, okay, such that the digit 1 appears at least okay, once. So again, 1 to 99, you know it is 19 such integers. From 100 till 199, how much will you include here? It should be not 19, Dinesh. Here it is each of these numbers, right? There are 100 such numbers here, right? All of them will have what? Digit 1 appearing at least once. Yes or no? है ना 100 101 102 इन सब में क्या है 1 है at least once it is appearing. So here it will be 100. Okay, if the same thing was let's say 300 till 300 going, so it is 200 to 299. Here it is again what 90. Are you getting this what we have done? ठीक है जहां पे हंड्रेड्स प्लेस आ रहा है वहां पे तो पूरे ही नंबर्स हो गए. Every integer that is there, it will be what? 100. 100 such integers are there between here, where the digit 1 will be there. Okay. The next one, again, 19. 300 to 399, again 19. Are you getting this, Dinesh? हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Yes. ठीक है? चलो. If this part of it is clear, so you only have to think about this 19 and 100 aspect. Okay? So if this part of it is clear to you, try this one. Okay. Again, we are talking about what? How many numbers exist? We are now not talking about digits here. Okay. So how many numbers exist between 1 and 1000 such that the digit 5 appears at least once? Okay. So try this one. Again, break it down 1 to 99, 100 to 199, like that. Break it down. Try doing this. Raghavan, fine. Dinesh, fine. Abhishek, fine. Okay. All right. So here what you're doing, again the same exercise, right? That is 1 to 99, 100 to 199, 200 to 299, 300 to 399, 499, 599, 699, 799, 899, 999, and then 1000. Right. So here again, how many such numbers are there? It is actually 19. Okay. Here again 19, 19, 19, 19. Now what about here? Here, all the numbers that are there between 500 and 599, the digit 5 will be there. Okay. So here it would be what? Actually 100. Okay. Here again 19, 19, 19, 19. Okay. Now simply multiply here. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 19 into 9 plus 100. That will be your answer. 171. Yeah, 271 is your answer. Is this clear? Okay. Chalo. If this is clear to you, if I change the question a bit, okay, now this is for you to think and answer, okay. अभी देखो यहाँ पे मैंने क्या दिया है, how many numbers exist between 1 and 1000 such that the digit 5 appears at least once. Okay. If I change this and say how many times does the digit 5 appears at least twice, then what would be your answer? At least twice matlab that integer should have that is 5 and 5 should be there simultaneously. Okay. तो ऐसे कितने numbers होंगे? Think it through, okay? But the concept will be the same. Break it down. 1 to 99, 100 to 199. Think it through. How many such numbers exist where the digit 5 appears at least twice? तो minimum 2 बार आना चाहिए digit 5. Just tell me one thing. Between 1 to 99, which number are we talking about? If the digit 5 has to appear at least twice, we are talking about 55. You know? Exactly. Now between 100 and 199, we are talking about which number? 155. Okay. So the same concept you will apply, okay, in the pattern and then sort it out. कितने numbers होंगे? 108. Okay. What about others? What do you think? It's only 29. Okay. What about Dinesh? What do you think? 28. Okay. All right. So here, let's see. Here it will be what? What will be that number? 55. We know, right? So one such number is there. Okay. Here 155. One such number. 255. One. Here one. Here one. Now this is where the problem arises. Right. Here, how many such numbers will be there? Between 500 and 599. How many times, how many such numbers will be there where digit 5 appears at least twice? It will be 19. Okay? All the 19 integers that are there, they will have, because unme, when 100 place 5 will also come, it will be there. The rest is what? Again, 1, 1, 1, 1. In 1000, there is no digit 5. Okay? So just add it up. Okay, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, so there is total 28 such numbers. Fine. Chalo. Okay, the same way it can be asked for utmost also. Okay, what does utmost mean? At least to bare minimum. Utmost is maximum. Exactly. Maximum to. Okay, so that also keep in mind. Okay, chalo. If this is clear, okay, now try this one. Now here we are talking about divisibility also. So we have how many integers are there between 1 and 100 which have 6 as the digit. Okay, so the number should have 6 as a digit, but at the same time it should also be divisible by 6. Okay, so how many such integers are there? Okay, 6 as a digit should be there and it should be divisible by 6 also. Dinesh, 5, okay. What about others? Ragan 5, Abhishek 5. So here again the same concept. you'll write all the integers, right? So here you have 6, 16, 26, 36, 46, 56. Again, then you have 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 66, 76, 86, 96. These are the potential numbers, right? Now it also has to be divisible by 6. So 6 is gone, 36 is gone, then 60 is gone, 66 is gone, 96 is gone. Okay. So there are 5 such integers which has 6 as a digit and is divisible by 6 also. Fine. Chalo, if this is clear, now try the UPSC question asked. Okay. So this was asked in your UPSC 2016. Okay. So the question is, how many numbers are there between 100 and 300, which either begin with or end with 2? Okay. So try solving this. It has to either begin with or end with 2. So how many such numbers are there? Okay, Shani A, fine. Dinesh A, fine. What about Raghavan? 110, right? So here again the same concept, that is from 100, you are going till 199, 200 to 299, again 300, right? So here again, when we talk about it, if it has to end with 2, that means we are talking about the digit in units place. So that is 102, 112, 122, like this. Okay. So here it appears what? 10 times. 10 such numbers are there. Here what happens? Again, all the numbers that are there, it begins with 2. So all 100. That means a total of 110 numbers are there. Fine. Chalo. Now, if this is clear to you, okay, now we come to the next concept. ठीक है? तो अभी तक ये हमने क्या सीखा? हमने एक concept सीखा digits का, that is counting of digits we discussed. The second part is counting of integers. है ना? यहाँ पे 20 times, here it is 19 times. Fine. Now we come to the third concept, the concept of summing up of digits. Okay. Now, when we talk about summing of digits, again, if you observe a pattern, if you observe here, there is a clear-cut pattern, right? So you see, if I move from, what does summing of digits mean? That means if 15 is the integer, summing of digits is 1 plus 5, 6. 1 plus 4, 5. 1 plus 3, 4, like that. Na? So if the question is something of this form, that is, uh, what is the sum of all digits? Okay. What is the sum of all digits if we are counting integers from 1 to, let's say, 15? Okay. If you are counting all the digits from 1 till 15 here, what is the sum of digits? तो तब क्या करोगे? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 5. That will be your answer, right? But if it is asked from 1 to 100, now this becomes a bit difficult for you to sum it up, sum up the digits, all the digits that are there, right? So here, what is the pattern? So the pattern is, see, if I go from 1 till 9, Okay, 1 till 9. What happens? Here it is basically 1 plus 2 plus 3 till 9. Right? I know the sum of digits here. What is the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3? It is till 9. If I go, it is 45. Right? That is n into n plus 1 by 2. Right? It is 45. Now, if I go from 10 till 19, what do I observe? Here, if we observe just the digit in units place, okay, it is basically repeating itself. See here, it is 0, does not add a value. Here it is 1, just like here. Here it is 2, just like here. 3, just like here. 4, just like here. 5, just like here. 6, same. 7, same. 8, same. 9, same. Okay. So when we go from 10 till 19, what happens? The number of digits that are there in the units place, if I add it up, it will be same as what? The same as above. 1 plus 2 plus 3 till 9. That is 45. Okay. Now what is different here is in the tens place, you have an additional one. Yes. One. Here there is one. One, 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 one. That means one is appearing how many times? 10 times. Okay. So if you are summing up the digits from 10 till 19, it will be what? In the tens place. Because one is there, it is appearing 10 times. So 10, that would be the sum plus 45. 45, the reason is we are talking about the digits or summing up the digits in the units place. Okay. Same thing. What happens from 20 till 29? Here, the digit in tens place is 2. It's going to appear how many times? 10 times. Okay, so the summation of 2 plus 2 plus 2 like that 10 times. It has 20. The rest is what? Again 45. Okay. From 30 till 39, what will happen? Again, 3 is there appearing 10 times. Plus what? From 0 to 9, again it is same. The summing of digits is 45. From 40 to 49, again what is there? 4 into 10 plus 45. Are you getting this? The pattern here? है ना? तो हम जब sum of digits कर रहे हैं, what is the pattern that we observe? Okay, the pattern is 1 to 9, it is 45. Sum of digits is 45. Okay. 10 to 19, it is 10 plus 45. 10 is 10 into 1. 20 to 29 is what? 2 into 10 plus 45. 30 to 39 is 3 into 10 plus 45. Are you seeing a pattern here? Are you understanding what we are doing? यहाँ मतलब यदि हम 1 से लेके 39 नंबर तक के गए तो if we sum up all the digits that are there, what will be the sum? It will be 45 plus 55 plus 65 plus 75. That will be the sum of digits. Are you getting this? Raghavan got it. What about Dinesh? Abhishek? Okay. Yes. So this is the pattern that you should keep in mind. Okay. Remember this pattern. Okay. So now tell me your answer. Let's say if we go from 1 till 25. Okay. 1 till 25 if we go, what will be the sum of the digits here? Okay. We are going from integers 1 till 25. What will be the sum of digits here? Again, you will break it down 1 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 25. 119. Okay. What about Raghavan? You're going from 1 to 25. 111. Okay. See again, 1 to 9 में कितना रहेगा? You tell me. 1 to 9 will be, what will be the sum of all digits that you are writing here? It will be 45. Yes, it will be 45. Okay. From 10 till 19, it will be 45. वो तो fix है, because we are talking about the ones in the units place. Okay. In the tens place, it is what? 10, 11, 12, like that it is there. So 1 into 10. 20 to 25, it is again, we are talking about the digit 2 appearing how many times here? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be there 6 times. Okay. What about 5 here? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, it is what? N into n plus 1 by 2. That is again 5 into 6 by 2. That is 15. Are you getting this? Okay. Now simply add it up. Okay. So here you have 45, 45, 90, 100, 112 plus 127. You will get 127. 12 plus 7, 27, 55, 90, 100. Yeah, I'm hoping it is correct. Okay. 45, 45, 90, 100, 115, 115, 12. Yeah, 127. Are you getting this here? Again, it is 2 into 6 times. The reason is what? Again, we are starting from 0 here, right? How many numbers are here? There are 6 such numbers. So the 2 will be there in all 6 of them. Okay, plus 50. I hope Dinesh this is clear. ठीक है, चलो एक और करके देखो. Let's say from 1 to 38. Okay. What will be the sum of the digits if you go from 1 to 38? Okay. 1 to 38. Try this one. Break it down. Okay. What will be the sum of the digits? Two 28. Okay. Okay. चलो तो यहाँ पे आपने क्या किया? सेम थिंग 228. ओके ठीक है. हियर इट विल बी 45. हियर इट विल बी 55. है ना? 10. 1 into 10. Here it will be 65. That is 2 into 10. Okay. Here it will be 3 into 9. है ना? Plus 0 plus ऐसा करके 8 तक है. Okay. So this is 27. Plus here it is n into n plus 1 by 2. 8 into 9 by 2. Okay. 27 plus 36. Okay, so you add this, this, and this. Okay, so I'm hoping everyone got the same answer. So that should be the answer. That is 228. नहीं 228 नहीं आ रहा ना इधर से. This is 13, 15, 18. Ah, that is okay. 8. Okay, so it might be the answer. Fine. I hope the concept is clear. Okay. Chalo. If this part is clear, now try solving the questions. Okay. So here, what is the sum of all digits which appear in all the integers from 1 to 50? Okay. So what is the sum of all digits? You tell me. P30. Okay, fine. Right. So everyone got the answer here. So that will be the answer. Okay, 1 to 9 again. 45, 55, 65, 75, 19, 29, 39, 49. That is 85. Okay. Then you will add to 50, it will be 5 also. Just add it up. Okay. So the answer I have written here is 330. Everyone got the answer. Fine. Chalo. Now, if this part of it is clear to you, now try the UPSC question asked in 2023. Okay. So what is the sum of all digits which appear in all the integers from 10 to 100? Okay. Try this one out. Okay. 856, fine. Okay. Raghavan, fine. Ishani, fine. Okay. Same concept you'll apply here. You'll get the answer. Okay. So the answer is 856. Again, break it down. 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, like this. Okay. So it will be 90 to 99, finally 100. Okay. Chalo. Now, if this is clear, come to the next. Okay. Now, what is the state of mind? Can we continue or should we discuss this tomorrow? अभी कैसा चल रहा है? This is a new topic tomorrow. ठीक है. Because this is going to take at least half an hour, 45 minutes now. Okay. That's why I asked today. Tomorrow. Okay. Dinesh, we'll do one thing. We'll do this tomorrow. Okay. Because you need a fresh pair of mind. Okay. Again, we are talking about certain form of relationship. Let me just give you the crux of the same. What does it mean here? Okay. Right now, what we did, we talked about digits. We talked about integers. We now talked about sum of the digits. Okay. The next concept is certain form of relationship between digits. For example, if we say, if there is a 3-digit number XYZ, okay, I am saying all those 3-digit numbers where the product of the digits is a certain number. Okay, for example, if I say I have to calculate all such 3-digit numbers where the product of digits is 36. So what can be my numbers here? It could be 661, 616, you know, 166. All of this can be there. Similarly, it can be other numbers also. Okay, 3, 4, 3. Okay, so that would be the basis here. Okay, now this relationship, it is not exactly, yes, 940 could be there, 941 could be there. Okay, 940 cannot be there because product of digit is not 36, it is 0 then. Okay, 941 could be there. तो हमारा जब relationship between digits की बात कर रहे हैं, the relationship could be in multiplication format or even the summation of digits. If I say the summation of digits should be this number, or if I say the difference between the digits should be this number. Okay, so difference, summation, plus. So any form of relationship between the digits, and you are supposed to calculate how many such digits exist. Okay, so those kind of questions you need to solve. Okay, so we'll start with plus, then minus, then with multiplication. All of this. We'll do all the UPSC questions that have been asked till date on this topic. Okay, so it's going to take some time, at least 40-45 minutes you will take here. So we'll do one thing, we'll do this topic tomorrow. Okay, with a fresh mind, we'll do this. So kindly revise all the content that we have discussed today. Okay, this will be helpful tomorrow. Fine. Chalo. So with that, I end the class for today. Okay, so if there is any doubt, that person can stay back. The rest of you can leave. The class for today is over. Okay, so the next class will be tomorrow. Okay.